Looking for fast yet cost-effective external storage for your large video files and photos? Check out this new USB 4 enclosure from ZIKE. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out this new NVMe SSD enclosure from ZIKE and see how easy it is to put together a fast external drive without any tools. This is one of the fastest enclosure I've tested so far thanks to the new ASMedia ASM2464PD USB4 chipset. With ever-growing larger, higher quality videos and photos of the family, I'm always craving for more storage. But configuring a MacBook Air from 256 gigabytes of internal SSD storage to 2 terabytes would cost a whopping $800. For less than half of that, we can get a fast external drive with this ZIKE SSD closure. The ZIKE enclosure comes in a box with nice glossy prints. Inside the box, there's the enclosure, well packaged, an user manual, good graphics again, and an USB 4 USB-C to USB-C cable. The enclosure is 4.4 inches long by 2.6 inches wide and 0.7 inches thick. Weighs about 8.6 ounces. There's a simple gray ZIKE logo on the top. The USB 4 or Thunderbolt port is on the side with a little indicator light next to it. The design of this enclosure is quite robust and unique. There is this clear plastic protector all the way around except for the two sides. It's actually on quite tightly, but it could slide out to expose the silver aluminum case inside. On the case, there are ridges all around to help with heat dissipation. Since NVMe drives can run quite hot with heavy data transfers, the plastic cover can protect fingers from hot surfaces. However, I think it also hampers heat dissipation, so ZIKE provides the option to run the enclosure with it on or off. Another unique design is this built-in slot on the side. It has a cool, short USB 4 cable stowed inside. What a great idea! One, I don't need to be searching all over for cable, and two, this one is nice and short. Just right for plugging in the drive next to my laptop without a long wire dangling in between. This is a nice braided cable just like the other one in the box too. The enclosure supports 2280, 2260, 2242, and 2230 sizes SSDs. Let's put this 2280 2TB Samsung 990 Pro PCIe 4 NVMe SSD inside and see how it performs. It's very easy to do. No tools are needed. On the other side of the enclosure, there's a notch marked open. Just pull the cover off from here. Insert the drive into the slot at an angle. Push the other end down and turn this rubber plug to hold it in place. There's already a thick thermal pad in place on the bottom side of the cover. So just peel off the blue plastic film, snap the cover back on, and that's it. Here I have it plugged into my 16-inch M3 MacBook Pro's USB 4 or Thunderbolt port. With Blackmagic Disk Speed Test, I get about 3200 megabytes per second write and a bit over 3100 megabytes per second read. That's fast, while slower still than Apple's blazing fast internal SSDs. This is 4 times faster than popular USB 3 external drives like the Samsung T7 Shield, which gets about 800 megabytes per second write and 700 megabytes per second read. Transferring a large 16GB file takes just 6 seconds from the laptop to the drive, and another 6 seconds to read it back. I can edit photos and videos directly on this external drive smoothly without any lag or problem. This ZIKE USB4 enclosure started as a successful Indiegogo project. It's now on sale for $129. There are additional discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below. This is one of the fastest enclosure I've tested so far. And with the 2TB Samsung Pro SSD costing about $170, the total cost of this 2TB external drive is only $300. That's $100 less than half of what it costs to upgrade the MacBook Air to 2TB of internal storage. So if you need fast storage at a reasonable price to edit all your family photos and videos like me, check this combo out. What's your photo, video workflow, and storage solutions at home? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. God bless, and remember to cherish each moment. Thanks to ZIKE for sending this out for me to try and share with you.